Hello YouTube. Yeah, I'm doing this video because some of the people that ask about the work that I do, because I don't do videos as far as the work that I do. I just show the product after it's done. I don't do the videos while I'm doing the actual work, but everything that you see here I do myself. I don't have no outside resources. I build everything, I do everything myself. So for you that's wondering, that's why I know. There's a lot of people out here doing how-to videos and how to do this and how to do that and everything, but I don't do that. I do the work to my own vehicles and to other vehicles, and I let my work show. So, if anyone that's wondering, thanks. And yes, this is an iPad that I sunk into the original seat. It's actually sunk in, as you can see. So any work that you see here that's done on this truck has been done by me. So if you need anything done that you see on these videos, just let me know and we go from there. I don't do the, like I said, I don't do the showing how-to videos and all that, but I do my own work. So if you see anything you like or anything you want done, just let me know. And this does fold over. Okay, so you can see. Yes, it's in the seat. Thank you.